The nice similarity and difference between Eastern and Western civilizations viewing the world. Western civilization emphasizes certainty and precision, while Eastern civilization is adept at dealing with uncertainty. There are significant differences between Western and Eastern civilizations in the way they observe and understand the world. Western civilization tends to emphasize the certainty and precision of the world, pursuing clear and predictable order and systems. This perspective believes that the world can be fully understood and controlled through logic and scientific methods. The tremendous development of Western science is largely based on this pursuit of certainty and precision, attempting to reveal the universal laws and principles of the universe. Since ancient Greece, Western civilization has had this persistent pursuit of truth, which is perfectly embodied in Newton's mechanical system. The world is understood as a precisely functioning machine, where the meshing of each gear requires precise description through mathematical formulas. Scientific research, which pursues precise data and repeatable experimental results, quantitative analysis in laboratories, clear definitions in legal texts, and millimeter scales on engineering drawings, all demonstrate this humanistic tradition of pursuing certainty. In comparison, Eastern civilization embraces uncertainty with greater ease. It has forged unique wisdom amidst chaos and change, emphasizing the interconnectedness and constant evolution of all things. This perspective views the world as fluid and variable, impossible to fully predict or control. Eastern civilization believes that true wisdom stems from accepting and adapting to this uncertainty, rather than attempting to impose order and certainty on the ever-changing nature. The Taoist dialectical thinking of misfortune may be a blessing in disguise, the Buddhist emptiness wisdom of all things are impermanent, the Confucian dynamic balance of the golden mean, the Zen school's emphasis on not relying on written words, the artistic conception of leaving blank spaces in ink paintings, and the metaphor and symbolism often used in literary works all embody a tolerance and appreciation for uncertainty, collectively weaving a cognitive web that accommodates uncertainty. This thinking does not adhere to binary divisions of either-or, but excels at grasping the overall interconnectedness of things in ambiguous areas. It encourages people to maintain an open mindset and respond flexibly to changes, rather than clinging to fixed ideas or theories. This thinking emphasizes the coexistence of harmony and nature, rather than attempting to conquer or control nature. This difference is particularly intriguing in contemporary society. When Western technological civilization attempts to quantify everything using algorithms, it may also limit its flexibility in facing complexity and uncertainty. Eastern wisdom reminds us that the most moving poems often arise from the haze of wanting to distinguish but forgetting the words, and the deepest interpersonal interactions often exist in the tacit understanding of a kindred spirit knows each other. Uncertainty is not a flaw in cognition, but rather a gap left for life to breathe. As quantum mechanics reveals, when we no longer cling to precise control, but instead embrace uncertainty and change with an open mind, the world will instead reveal richer possibilities. I am Wu Huaiyu, a PhD from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a postdoctoral fellow from Peking University and the founder of AI Philosophy.